Good morning, D-Nix fam. Day Nixon here, back with another video. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man, because we got bangers on bangers. We're starting our morning off right with a little anabolic French toast. You can't go wrong with this stuff. It's got 3 grams of fat, 38 grams of protein, 48 grams of carbs, and 2 grams of fiber. You can't get much better than that. We're gonna finish this up and then we're gonna go outside to meet up with our special guest for our workout today. Good. Alright, you guys, special guest just got here, so we're gonna go out and get him. Kaylee. She's new to working out, so we're gonna get her right today, man. We're gonna go get this workout in.
We'll see what you can do.
Oh, okay, okay. And then we're gonna get her right with a meal, so let's go. Let's get this workout in. Alright, you guys, we're at the gym. Most of you guys know what time it is. The question is, does Kaylee know what time it is? Do you know what time it is?
No.
What the frick? She doesn't even know what time it is.
What time is it?
We gotta get zooted off the pre, baby.
Oh.
Alright, I'm going first, so.
That looks
Professional.
painful. That looks painful.
Your turn. Just send it. Full sends, alright?
I don't like that much.
That's weird.
What do I do? Just put it in my mouth and drink water after?
Put it in your mouth, you know? You should use that.
Oh, God. That's awful.
Yo! Oh, she's making him mad. Are you kidding me?
It didn't happen. It did not happen. Nope.
Can you believe this?
Not a fan.
Huh? Oh, you're gonna feel it.
Not a fan.
You're gonna feel it in a second. If Kaylee's done screwing around, we can now get into our workout. Are you done screwing around?
I'm done screwing around.
Okay, let's go. All right, you guys, that's a wrap on the workout. Good full body partner workout. Definitely give it a try. It's a great workout. Just finished up. How you feeling, Kaylee?
Feeling tired, feeling good, but very tired.
Hey, she made it through though. Now it's time to get something to eat. Where do you want to eat? Where do you want to eat? Go ahead and say it.
Doesn't matter.
What about Taco Bell?
Taco Bell after a workout.
All right, she's smart. She caught it. All right, now we're going back to the house and we're gonna make some anabolic cheese quesadillas. Slap as crap. Let's go. Guys, now back at the house. It is now time for anabolic cheese quesadilla. Are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
About to be slapped, so let's get into it. Hey guys, so the recipe calls for 1 low carb wrap, 56 grams of fat-free cheese, 14 grams of pepper, 28 grams of turkey sausage, 46 grams of egg beaters, and 7 grams of real bacon bits. Now I'm gonna be doubling everything because I'm making 2 wraps, one for me and one for Katie. Alright you guys, here it is, the anabolic cheese quesadilla. Little shout out to Remington James again for putting this out because, man, it's slap. I eat it almost every day. It's so good. Now, in one of these is 273 calories, 5 grams of fat, 36 grams of protein, 21 grams of carbs, and 11 grams of fiber. You compare that to a regular cheese quesadilla, it blows it way out of the water. A regular cheese quesadilla has 610 calories. It's got 51 grams of carbs, 46 grams of protein, and 24 grams of fat. Are you kidding me? That's way too much fat. But yeah, we're now gonna get a taste test from Kaylee over here.
See how I like it. Not bad. Not bad. Pretty good.
What are you rating it out of 10?
A 7.
7?
I'll say
We'll
solid
take
7.
it. We'll take it. Alright, you guys, we're gonna finish this up. If you haven't subscribed yet,
subscribe.
You heard it here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will catch you guys in the next one. D-Nix out.